And so the first thing you would have to do naturally is if you're going to work with Divi, you would have to get that theme for WordPress. It is an elegantthemes.com theme. Lets you do a lot of things in real time. Instead of always working from the back end, you can do a lot of things from the front end and see how they work out. So what you would have to do is naturally you'd join Elegant Themes and subscribe and download any of the themes you like. This one, we're going over Divi. So the first thing you would do is we're going to use this particular domain, and we would log in. Go ahead and put in your username and password to log in to WordPress. It's going to take you to the dashboard. Okay, this is a pretty clean setup. We have no posts, we have no pages, we have no plugins, really nothing there. Okay, except I have gone ahead and downloaded and installed Divi. It's a pretty large theme. It's got a lot of features built into it. It takes quite a while to download and to install. So in the essence of time, I've gone ahead and done that for us. These other three themes that you see here are the three free standard themes that were just automatically loaded, and there's nothing wrong with them. They're free, good place to get started, but they just don't have the power of the premium website builders like Divi. So now that we've got Divi installed, what we would do is we would come down here to Divi. You'll see it's right down here, and you can go over to Theme Options, and that's going to allow you to go into the Divi theme options itself, where you can pick and assign different things that you're going to want to use. And there's a lot of important things. That's where you're going to assign your logo, your favicon, if you want to use a fixed navigation bar or you don't. Things like your Google API key, if you want to use and show icons for Facebook, Twitter, Google+, the URLs, things like this. This is where you're going to log in and assign this information so that the theme can use it. You can also exclude pages from menus. If you want to show comments, not show comments. I don't like to show comments. If you want to have a default banner, some of your generic SEO settings. I always use a plugin for SEO in WordPress, but Divi does have quite a little bit of built-in SEO capability. If you want to use custom titles, meta descriptions, keywords, canonical URLs, you can assign many different things for the home page, single post page, index page, the same thing. And these are things that you won't always get with the free WordPress themes that kind of make themes like Divi nice. Okay, and over here on updates, this is where you're going to enter your username and the API key which Elegant Themes is going to give you, which you'll plug in there, which will allow you to go through the automated update process. Otherwise, you'll have to download it and reinstall it every time. This is really the way to do it. Okay, and then once you've made your changes, you would click on Save Changes. Little green check mark there says you're good to go. And then what we could do is we could come up here. We don't have any pages, we don't have any posts. Let's add a page. Show some of the features of Divi. Now, we'll name this page Home. And what we want to do is click on Use the Divi Builder. And now, when you're starting off, sometimes it's a little bit hard to have an idea of what you want your design to look like. So one of the nice things that Divi has is a library of pre-formatted pages, different types of pages to get you started. And so since we have one page, let's go in here to the library and see if we can find something that would be suitable for a home page. At the very top, we're going to see home page extended, but you're also going to have page full width, page right sidebar, left sidebar, dual sidebar. You're going to have things for like portfolio, grid, one column, full width carousel, full width grid, project extended 2, blog masonry, blog standard, shop basic, shop extended, splash page. If you want to put up a maintenance mode page, a coming soon page, you want to build a landing page, one about me, about us, your team, a contact page, the team page, many different types of pre-formatted layouts. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and use this home page extended. Okay, now what you're going to see here is it has pre-populated the page with content and also design. You can't really see the design yet, but you can see the structure from here. Okay, so what I'm going to want to do is publish this to save what we just imported. Now I want to look at it just to get an idea of what it looks like here. I'll come up here to the very top, click on View Page. Okay, now that is how fast you can create a mock-up page in Divi, which is really fast. You know, all of these different sections can be customized, deleted, modified, and they're just filled up with dummy content right now. And see at the very top we have a sticky header. We can turn that on or off. But this is just to get you started. So here, you know, you would have a section, welcome to the page, welcome to our website. Different sections down here. All of these can be modified. Okay. They'll have different ways of loading the content. Sometimes they'll slide in, they'll just appear. But this is really just to give you some ideas to get you started. Okay, and so now you've got a pre-formatted page, which all you have to do is go in there and change the content. Okay, now let's go down to menus because we want to start this thing I'm going to remove an existing menu. Okay, I have main menu here. I'm going to save the menu. I have the one home page there. Now I have the checkbox for automatically add new top level pages to this menu. I think that's a good idea because that way as you create pages, they will automatically be included in this menu. And we've also selected to primary menu. Okay. So to show how this works, we're going to go up here, look at it quickly. Okay, you're going to see home. That's the only page. Okay, now let's go over here and add another page. Okay, and we'll call this one services. Use the Divi Builder. Let's go back to the library. Okay, I'm going to select a different one, a different example here. Let's try just a standard full width page. Okay, publish it. This will be very similar. Okay, I'm going to come up here, view page. Okay, now I have the home page. I have the services page. Okay, I want to add another page. Let's add a page about us, an about us page, about our people. About us. I'm going to come down here to Divi Builder, load from library. Now I'm going to look for an about us page. About me, contact us, about us. Load that. I'm going to publish it. Okay, I'm going to come up here and view the page. Okay, it's been added to the menu. Okay, now I have 3 pages. I have home, I have services, and I have about us. Okay, now naturally we have to remember that all of this is dummy content. This is just to give us an idea to get started quickly. Different things, modules that we can add to or delete or modify. Okay, here we have the team members where we'd have their picture, their name, their role, and a little short statement about them. We have places for their Facebook, Twitter, G+, Google+, and LinkedIn, so we can link to their pages, their individual pages. And for this tutorial, I'm going to kind of end it right here. But in the next video, what we will do is we will start to modify the content of the individual pages and show you how you can take it from nothing to having a website very, very, very quickly with the Divi Builder. And that's one of the reasons I really, really like this Divi theme. And I want to thank you for your time and for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please join our channel and make sure to watch the next video. Thank you very much.